Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet connection on iPhone. So first of all, I will request from my other friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have reboot iPhone and power cycle router. Simply reboot your iPhone once using the power button to check if internet works when it is reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. If not, try to power cycle the router. What that means it turn off and root modem. Wait for 30 seconds and then you have turned back on. And there is no power switch on off button is router, so have to cut the electricity. Also remove the cables. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears a logo on your screen. Then 10 to 20 seconds wait. Then your mobile is restart if your problem will be fixed. Then second solution, you have enable and disable airplane mode. A quick and easy way fix for when iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi network, but corner of the screen and top of the airplane mode icon to enable it turn orange, so then you have turn on and off there is no internet. Open the control center by sweeping down from the top right corner of the screen. Tap on airplane icon, so then you have enable and then disable from here. So you have open the this page to have a turn on and off the airplane mode. Then third solution, you have forget network and reconnect. The Wi-Fi network may not be working correctly because it is connected properly. A simple fix exiting. So you have while using, so disconnect and then you reconnect the Wi-Fi network if your problem will be fixed. Then fourth solution, VPN and proxy. While VPN is extension these tests to protect your identity and data, it can lead to unexpected Wi-Fi network error. Several Rabbit users found that resetting the VPN network or simply turning it on and off. So fixed, then you have opened the setting, click on general, scroll up, click on VPN device manage, disconnect and reconnect from here. The last solution, you have reset network setting. We do not usually recommend this setting unless there is no other way to fix iPhone connected to Wi-Fi with no internet connection. That is because resetting network settings you need to reconnect with all Wi-Fi network and entering password and pairing them with all your Bluetooth device again. You have been warned. So you have opened the setting, click on general again, scroll up, then you click on transfer or reset, then you click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have entered a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.